Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. Before I start the video, I want to apologize for not posting for the past few weeks. I was really busy with some personal commitments. From now on, I'll be posting consistently, and I hope you all will be enjoying my videos. And thank you so much for being patient and waiting for my videos. Because I was gone for some time now, I thought I will start the video with some of my favorite products which I have been enjoying last month and this month. So I have collected some of my favorite products and I will be talking about it in this video. There are a lot of sales going on right now on Amazon, Nykaa, Myntra, everywhere. So if you want to grab any of these products, you can do so. I have few body care, skincare and makeup products. So let's start the video with a body care product. The first product is the Body Shop British Rose Body Yogurt. This retails for 945 rupees for 200 ml. I recently picked this up from a store. I have tried their shower gel and body cream in the same variant, but the texture of this is very different. It's very lightweight. It gently absorbs into the skin really fast and it does not feel sticky or greasy at all. So it's really good for the daytime, and because it's winter we all have to apply a moisturizer even during the day. So it's really comfortable and lightweight. This is how the texture looks like. And the fragrance is also very pleasant. The fragrance lasts for quite some time. So I have been really enjoying this. This is also a 100% vegan product. The next product is the Dove Shower Mousse with rose oil. This I found last month. I did not know this has launched in India. I found this on Nykaa. Basically this is a shower mousse for shaving, but for shaving it doesn't do much. It is like any other shower gel, but just for the purpose of using it as a shower gel, it's really good. It comes in a mousse form. I will show you. It comes like this, and once you apply this, you just need one full pump for your entire body. It lathers really well, and this does not dry your skin out. The fragrance lasts for quite some time. It's a very mild rose fragrance. They have also other two variants in this. They have an argan oil and one more variant in this, and this is really inexpensive. This is just for like 340 rupees and it's quite a big bottle. So I think it is quite reasonable. I have been really enjoying using this. It does make the skin very smooth and soft. If you are bored of your regular shower gels, you can give this a try. You will not regret it. The next product is a makeup remover. This is the Garnier Micellar Water. This is the oil infused variant. This retails for 225 rupees for 125 ml. They have a bigger bottle also. I have gone through so many bottles of this. It is so good. It is a dual faced water. It has oil and water in this, and this removes all kind of makeup really quickly. Your waterproof mascara, eyeliner, liquid lipsticks, it removes everything really well, and it is so inexpensive. If you are a college or office going girl, you will really like this. I also have the pink variant in this. I did not like that much because it doesn't remove waterproof makeup, but this is really good. This has also not irritated my skin or cause a breakout or something. It's very gentle and the fragrance is also very mild. The next product is the Pixi Glow Tonic. I have shown this product before in my nighttime skincare routine. This is a 5% glycolic acid exfoliating toner. So if you are beginner to chemical exfoliants, you will really like this. It's very gentle, but you still do a patch test because you never know what can cause an irritation if you have a sensitive skin. I have a sensitive skin and this hasn't caused any irritation on my skin. And the best thing about this is that it removes the texture on your skin really well. This toner contains glycolic acid and aloe vera in it. I have used half of it, like you can see, and I have seen a huge difference in my skin after using this. This eliminates the texture on your skin, and it also helps in lightening the scars on your face. That's what I have observed. So I would highly recommend if you are looking for a chemical exfoliating toner. You can also get this in a mini bottle, so if you want to just to try it out, you can get that. It is available on Sephora and Nykaa. This is one product I would recommend to invest your money in. Now let's move on to makeup. So the first product is this eyeshadow palette by Lakme. This is how it looks like. It is 4 shades, 4 of them are shimmery shades. This is called Smoky Glam palette. This retails for 650 rupees now. When I bought this, it was for 600 rupees. Now they have increased the price on this. I really like this palette. Normally I do not like Lakme's eyeshadow quality, but this one is really good. Today also I have used, I'll show you, this shade just on top of my lid, and that's it. It is quite pigmented and it is easy to blend, and if you are a beginner to makeup, I think you will like this. There is no matte shade in this, but I have used my bronzer as my crease and then I used this. So if you want to get ready quickly for festive season, you can definitely give this a try. The next product is a makeup brush. This is the ProArt PE22 eyeshadow blending brush. It is a fluffy brush. This is how it looks like. It's dirty because I have used it today. It is so good. I had shown this in one of my hauls. This retails for around 300 rupees only. So if you are a beginner and you want to invest in makeup brushes, you can definitely go for this. The quality is really good. I have washed it couple of times and it hasn't shed a bit. It makes your blending so easy. Even if you are a beginner, your eyeshadow will blend so easily and quickly. So I have been really enjoying this. Even when I was traveling, I carried it, and it's a really good beginner friendly makeup brush. You can get this on Nykaa and Myntra. The next product is a concealer. This is the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer. I am in the shade 312 Amber. It comes with a very big doe foot applicator like this. This has recently launched in India, I think couple of months back, and I got hands on this very recently. I have been really enjoying this because it is very lightweight, but at the same time it is full coverage, so it will help in hiding your pigmentation and dark circles and everything, but it will not make the makeup look cakey. It blends really quickly. Once you set it with a powder, this will not budge or crease under your eyes. So I have been really enjoying this, and it is on sale right now. I saw it for around 500 rupees. So definitely if you are looking for a good concealer, please try this. You will not regret. My next favorite is a lip liner. This is the Milani Statement Lip Liner in the shade Spice. The formula is very creamy and it glides on very smoothly. Like you can see, I have used half of it. This is how the shade Spice looks like. It is a very pretty brown nude color with peach undertone. This will go with all nude lipsticks. I only have one nude lip liner and this is enough. It looks good on its own, but today I have applied this first and then I have applied a lipstick which I will show you soon. I really like this. This retails for about 700 rupees, but it is always on sale, so you can definitely give this a go. It is very long lasting as well. My next favorite is the Miss Claire Soft Matte Lip Cream. This is in the shade 04. I will show you a swatch of this. This is how the shade looks like. It is a very pretty nude color. So I recently got this from a nearby store. It retails for only 195 rupees. I was really surprised with the quality of this lipstick. It's really long wearing, very lightweight, and it doesn't transfer also much. So I really like this. One day I wore this in the morning and it stayed put till the evening, and the color is also very pretty. This is a little pale nude, so I normally top it off on darker nude colors, but they have lot of different colors in the same range, so definitely check this out. I think on sale you will get it for much cheaper rates. I don't know why I never tried this lipsticks before, because it is quite famous in the YouTube community, and on Instagram everybody raves about this. I think it is definitely worth the hype, and it is so inexpensive. My last favorite of this video are these earrings. These are very pretty silver earrings. I got this from Pantaloons. This retails for about 400 rupees and it is so pretty. It's not that heavy, it's quite lightweight, and you can style this earring with Indian outfits and with Western outfits. It's really pretty and it's of good quality. If I can find this online, I will definitely link this in the description box. I normally don't wear big earrings, but this is something which I really loved. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please subscribe if you haven't already. I will see you in my next one. Till then, take care.